Hello, my name is Candace Kovacs with the American Public University. Today I am presenting Animals as Food, Ethical or Not, to EVSP 508, Environmental Ethics Summer Session D 2021. Food is one of the main necessities of life. The question, are animals food, is the ethical problem. It depicts that an animal is not intrinsic in value, but instrumental in value due to being a source of food. Because humans see themselves as having dominions over animals, they break the worldview of ecofeminism. Birds eat insects, otters eat clams, bears eat fish, etc., yet there is no ethical debate as to if they are treating food ethically. However, they do not raise their food on farms like humans do. The four federal laws pertaining to U.S. policies discussed today are the Animal Feeding Operation, the Animal Welfare Act, the Transportation, Sale, and Handling of Certain Animals, and U.S. Federal Food, Drug, and Cosmetic Act. This table will show you the year each policy was created, what agency or associated regulations they have, and the underlying worldviews. Animal feeding operations are agricultural operations where raising and keeping animals are done in confined situations. The worldview of human survival is dependent on nutritious food, and what the animals are fed and how they are raised can have an impact on human health. Value duty doctrine worldview is seen by the given respect for life. The Animal Welfare Act set general standards for the humane care and treatment for certain animals being bred for commercial sale, sold online, put up for public exhibitions, used in biomedical research, or transported commercially. The worldviews here are personal worldview imperative and value duty doctrine for reasons that all people should share the same view on animal rights and strive to ensure animals are treated humanely, thus life deserves respect. Transportation, sale, and handling of certain animals aims to ensure that any animal intended to be used in research facilities or exhibitions or as pets must provide humane care and treatment. It also aims to ensure that the humane treatment is performed during transportation. Ecofeminism principle of human survival and value duty doctrine are present here, showing that humans have dominion over animals for their desired purpose and or human survival. But equally so, the treatment of the animals' lives deserves respect. The Federal Food, Drug, and Cosmetic Act was set up to establish quality standards for food, drugs, medical devices, and cosmetics manufactured and sold. It is to ensure protection against the unlawful medical devices, even those used by veterinarians, cosmetics, and food safety, such as packaging and quality. Ecofeminism is present since humans have dominion over animals and for the principle of human survival to use for medical reasons. In conclusion, humans have set ethical standards for humans, and thus they can set ethical standards for raising and eating animals in a manner to give respect to and care for those animals. The treatment of such animals can be performed in an ethical and sustainable manner, though the current ways of agriculture are not following sustainability. We then live in an ecofeminism worldview when it comes to food and animals for food. Being the higher intellectual being on earth, we set the standards of what we determine is ethical, and if we can justify the means, everything can be ethical. The U.S. government shapes what has values in environmental policy and management through creating laws and regulations on all aspects of how animals are treated in life, care, testing, and transportation. The government determines what is ethical or not. The U.S. takes an anthropocentric instrumental value on the well-being of humans over animals. The moral concerns for humans cross into the domain of the animal's experience, and animals should have their own mammal ethics. Environmental ethics must become more non-anthropocentric and objective to biological values. These are the references used for the presentation. Thank you.